In today's episode, we will delve into a topic that has been the subject of intense debate and uncertainty for many years: the relationship between egg consumption and cardiovascular health. The question of whether eggs are villains or heroes for our hearts remains in focus. Uncertainty lingers regarding the potential elevation of cholesterol to the point of necessitating restrictions on their consumption, or if eggs can be part of a healthy diet without causing concerns. In the midst of these uncertainties, rest assured, as our goal is to thoroughly explore this subject and definitively clarify the truths about eggs and heart disease. We will dissect the most relevant scientific studies, debunk persistent myths, and shed light on the debates surrounding this much-discussed food. We will also address the challenges associated with egg consumption and how we can make conscious choices to minimize risks. Starting in 1961, Ancel Keys placed saturated fats and dietary cholesterol on trial, accusing them of being the main culprits behind heart disease. This theory gained traction, although contrary evidence began to emerge. Currently, many in the medical and scientific community question this old notion, arguing against the vilification of cholesterol and saturated fats. For example, the Rotterdam study conducted in 2004 revealed that individuals who consumed higher quantities of eggs, cheese, butter, and liver had lower incidences of heart issues, challenging the idea that these were harmful foods. The intriguing French paradox adds another layer of complexity, showing how France, with its high-fat diet, maintains low rates of heart disease, questioning the direct link between cholesterol, saturated fats, and cardiovascular health. The process of cholesterol oxidation, when interacting with free radicals, emerges as a crucial point in this debate, indicating that not only the presence of cholesterol but also its oxidation plays a significant role in promoting inflammation and heart disease. Understanding this biochemical dynamic deepens our insight into the complex interactions involved. When it comes to eggs, it's intriguing to note that recent studies, such as the one published in the Journal of Nutrition, highlight that regular consumption of these foods can indeed contribute to improving cholesterol quality in overweight individuals. Specifically, there is a notable increase in HDL levels, known as good cholesterol. This discovery directly challenges the conventional narrative about the potential negative impacts of eggs on cardiovascular health, adding a more nuanced perspective to the debate. Undoubtedly, eggs stand out as true superfoods, characterized by an unparalleled richness in complete proteins, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and essential minerals. Their remarkable nutritional composition goes beyond that, as eggs also contain antioxidants that play a fundamental role in preserving eye health. Additionally, it is worth noting that choosing high-quality eggs, preferably from free-range and naturally fed chickens, can have a profoundly positive impact on the nutritional contribution of these foods and the health benefits they provide. This emphasis on the origin of eggs adds an additional layer of consideration to their inclusion in a balanced and healthy diet. We will also explore the vital importance of selecting cooking oils, highlighting how the oxidation of unstable oils can have substantial negative impacts on our health. This consideration broadens our awareness of the potential risks associated with the inappropriate choice of oils during the food preparation process. In summary, the perspective that eggs are harmful to cardiovascular health is being reassessed in light of contemporary scientific evidence. A deep understanding of these details empowers us to make informed dietary choices, directed not only towards preserving heart health, but also overall well-being. As we continue our exploration of eggs and heart health, it is essential to expand our understanding beyond nutritional aspects and investigate how egg consumption and preparation practices influence our cardiovascular health. The nutritional information of eggs is just one part of the equation. How we choose to consume them and the foods we pair them with can either enhance or mitigate their health benefits. The integration of eggs into a balanced diet requires careful consideration of the dietary context. For example, consuming eggs along with fiber-rich foods, vegetables, and whole grains can optimize their health benefits, while pairing them with processed and saturated fat-rich foods can counterbalance their advantages. Thus, the key to enjoying eggs as part of a healthy diet lies in moderation and conscious choices of accompaniments. The debate about cholesterol in eggs also prompts us to reflect on the importance of personalized dietary recommendations. Individuals with a genetic predisposition to hypercholesterolemia may need to monitor their dietary cholesterol consumption more closely. While for the majority of the population, eggs can be safely consumed within a varied and balanced dietary pattern. Furthermore, sustainability and animal welfare are crucial aspects to consider in egg choices. Opting for eggs from chickens raised in more natural and humane production systems not only benefits our health, but also contributes to more sustainable and ethical agricultural practices. This holistic approach not only promotes human health, but also the health of our planet. In the kitchen, creativity in egg preparation can enrich our culinary experience while preserving their nutritional values. Cooking techniques that use less oil and moderate heat, such as poaching or simmering, can maximize the benefits of eggs while maintaining the integrity of their essential nutrients. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and until the next video,